smack your heart now.
Put it in there.
Alright, so let's see.
Ready to go, you so.
Get the foot. That was good.
How you feel?
That was good. So you want to do one more, or you want to stay safe?
that long?
Alright, so that's what say so. That's not say so. That's not say so. There you go.
So he didn't get a retwist, so it left enough hair for me on the end of the dread to cut it. So right now I'm just cutting to the new growth of the end of the dread. Alright, bro. That's all right there. Come down here. Right there. How you feel?
Way lighter.
Way lighter. I don't know, man. It's just my little tradition. I let anybody who getting their dreads cut off, I let them cut the last dread off. Alright. So right now you see me just picking it out. This is a must. You must wash the hair. If you cut someone's hair, especially dreads off, you definitely want to wash the hair afterwards to get it back to its natural state. It's been in dreads for so long, so that you want the hair to kind of get back to its natural state. So y'all know me, like I prefer clean hair anyway. I didn't show this part, but I used the blow dryer and did a blowout on his hair, stretching his hair out to the max potential. Right now I'm going in with a Babyless FX trimmer, starting the ball line on the temp fade. He didn't want to cut his hair all the way low, so he wanted a little fro, and he wanted to do the sponge at the end. So. So on the neck taper, I'm going in with the open blade, my Babyless clipper, and now I'm going in with the 2 open. Once I went in with the open blade, and now I'm coming back underneath that with the 1.5 open. And now I'm going in with the 1.5 closed. Now I'm going in with the 1 open all the way to the 1 closed. Now I'm going in with the 0 guard halfway and just knocking that line up. Now I've came back with the 2 open, and I'm just now giving it some more. I'm just knocking out some bulky areas that I see. Okay, so now to the freehanded on the Afro from the neck taper. I like starting from the back because it starts the shape of the Afro. And again, we pick it out. Just so when he get home and he picks it out, it won't look uneven. Definitely got to pick the hair once you do one pass. So as you can tell from the haircut, I'm kind of just starting in the back with the shaping, just kind of bringing the haircut to life, but I'm starting it from the back. So I'm doing multiple steps to go ahead and just start that shaping, even with the line up, because the line up on the neck helps me get the shape towards the back of the ear, and I can come straight up from the line up and shape the afro from the line up. And so before I start the front, I'm gonna go ahead and do my fade. Right now I'm just going ahead and hitting them with the open blade on both sides. So I went ahead and started doing the line, the neckline right here, so I can get that shape up to the ear. Have the afro shaped up to the ear before I shape up. Okay, so now I'm going in with the 2 guard open all the way to close, and then I'll bring in the 1.5 open all the way to close. It's kind of just fading down. So now I'm continuing to shape up all the way up to the top, because I'm getting ready to shape the tape, the temp tape. So I'm getting ready to shape the temp tape. So I want to just keep shaping the afro while I'm cutting. I see some dark areas there, so I went ahead and went back in with my 1.5 open and close. Just a little level play on some dark areas there. I'm going in with the 2 open on this side. And now I'm going in with the 2 closed. Down to the 1.5 open. To the 1.5 closed. Now I got the 1 open. Down to the 1 closed. And just keep working down, man. I like fading down on the afro just away from the bulk. Now I have the 0 halfway. Now I'm going in with the open blade and just kind of hitting the corners on some of the dark hairs. With curly hair like this, you're gonna have to do some corner work because the hair curls. And now I'm just continuing to shape up the afro from the top. I like to take the bulk away from the tape line in the front as well, because when I get ready to line them up, I want it to look as crispy as possible. You start to see cut line up, and now we're going to the line up. Since he never had a line up, because he had dreads for about 7 years, so He had dreads for a while, so I had to create his lineup for him. And I hit him with the enhancements, hair fibers. So I lock it in with the holding spray and then hit them with the blow dryer on cool. Before I use the sponge, I like to wet the hair and then also apply product. Right now I'm using Shea Moisture curling enhancement. I like the Shea Moisture, it definitely works best. And now I'm using my sponge and just going to work. After I sponge, I also like to hit the lineup just one more time because some hairs may hang over and I don't like that. Alright man, YouTube, it's the cut, man. Big transformation, man. Cut the dreads off, starting fresh, looking clean. You already know what's up, man. It's your boy Double S, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.